Traveling often means having to pack light, but that doesn't mean sacrificing your beauty routine. In this video, we'll show you the best beauty tools for travel that combine convenience, efficiency, and effectiveness, making sure you look your best on the go. From skincare to hair care, these top 5 beauty tools are compact, travel-friendly, and deliver professional results no matter where you are. Let's dive into these essential products that will elevate your beauty routine during your travels. Kicking off our list at number 1, Clarisonic Mia Smart. The Clarisonic Mia Smart is a revolutionary facial cleansing brush designed to offer a deep, yet gentle cleanse while on the go. Its compact size and multiple features make it a must-have for travelers who want to maintain their skincare routine no matter where they are. This device provides a spa-like experience, delivering thorough cleaning and offering skincare benefits that include improved skin texture, reduced pores, and a glowing complexion. With its travel-friendly design, the Mia Smart fits perfectly into any luggage or toiletry bag. Key features: the Clarisonic Mia Smart comes equipped with an advanced sonic technology that uses over 300 micro-movements per second to cleanse the skin. It has multiple modes, including cleansing, massaging, and anti-aging, offering tailored solutions for different skin needs. Additionally, it comes with interchangeable brush heads that can be customized for different skin types, from sensitive to deep pore cleansing. The device is also waterproof, allowing it to be used in the shower and making it a durable, long-lasting option for travel. Benefits and usage: the Clarisonic Mia Smart's primary benefit is its ability to deeply cleanse your skin, removing dirt, makeup, and impurities in a gentle manner. The device also provides a mini facial massage that promotes better absorption of skincare products like serums and moisturizers. For usage, simply apply your favorite cleanser to the brush head, select your preferred mode, and gently move the brush in circular motions across your face for a thorough cleanse. For best results, use it twice daily, morning and evening. Usability: designed with ease of use in mind, the Clarisonic Mia Smart features a simple interface with easy-to-navigate buttons. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensure comfort during use, and the brush heads are easy to swap out and clean. The compact size and rechargeable battery make it an ideal beauty tool for travel. Plus, it's equipped with a 2-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and usability, making it a perfect companion for any skincare routine, no matter where you are. Durability: the Clarisonic Mia Smart is built to last, featuring a robust design that can handle frequent use during travels. Its waterproof feature ensures it holds up well to moisture, whether used in the shower or in humid environments. The battery life lasts for up to 100 minutes on a full charge, which should cover several uses before needing to recharge. With its high-quality materials and design, the Clarisonic Mia Smart is a durable investment that will support your skincare routine for years to come. In the second spot, we have Philips Sonicare Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Toothbrush is a top-rated electric toothbrush that offers superior cleaning and oral care while traveling. Known for its effective cleaning technology, it uses sonic vibrations to gently remove plaque and improve gum health, ensuring your teeth stay fresh and clean no matter where you are. Its sleek, compact design and long battery life make it an ideal tool for travel, helping you maintain a consistent oral hygiene routine while on the go. Key features: Philips Sonicare Toothbrush features advanced sonic technology, delivering up to 62,000 brush movements per minute to provide an efficient and thorough clean. It has multiple brushing modes such as clean, white, and gum care, so you can customize your brushing experience based on your needs. The toothbrush also includes a pressure sensor that helps prevent excessive brushing force, ensuring your gums and enamel stay protected. It's designed to be lightweight, easy to carry, and comes with a travel case, making it ideal for those who are always on the move. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush is its ability to offer a deep clean that removes more plaque than a manual toothbrush, resulting in healthier gums and brighter teeth. The toothbrush also improves gum health by stimulating the gums and promoting blood circulation. Simply brush your teeth with the selected mode for 2 minutes twice a day, following the usual brushing routine. The toothbrush will automatically turn off after the cycle, making it easy to use without overbrushing. Usability: this toothbrush is user-friendly, with a simple interface that makes it easy to select the preferred mode and brush your teeth. The compact size and ergonomic handle ensure it's comfortable to use, while the travel case keeps the toothbrush hygienic and protected during transit. The brush head is easy to change, and the rechargeable battery lasts for up to 2 weeks on a single charge, making it highly convenient for frequent travelers who need a reliable oral care tool. Durability: Philips Sonicare toothbrush is designed to be long-lasting and durable, with a battery life that can withstand extensive use. The brush head lasts around 3 months before needing replacement, while the toothbrush itself should last for several years if properly maintained. The water-resistant design ensures it holds up well against daily wear and tear, and the travel case keeps the brush protected during travels. Its overall durability makes it a reliable addition to your travel essentials, ensuring your oral hygiene routine remains consistent. Coming in at number 3 is the Tweezerman Mini Tweezer. The Tweezerman Mini Tweezer is a travel-sized version of the brand's signature precision tweezers, offering the same exceptional performance in a more compact design. Whether you need to shape your brows, remove stray hairs, or handle delicate grooming tasks, the Tweezerman Mini Tweezer is perfect for on-the-go beauty routines. Known for its sharp, pointed tips and durable design, this little tool is a must-have for travelers who want to stay perfectly groomed while away from home. Key features: the Tweezerman Mini Tweezer features precision-aligned, hand-filed tips that allow for the most accurate hair removal. Its mini size makes it compact enough to fit in even the smallest toiletry bags, yet the tips are strong enough to grab even the tiniest hairs. Made from stainless steel, this tweezer is built for durability and corrosion resistance. Available in a variety of colors and finishes, it is also lightweight and easy to use, making it a perfect travel companion for anyone who values precision grooming. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of the Tweezerman Mini Tweezer is its precision in removing unwanted hairs with minimal effort. The sharp, angled tips allow for effective brow shaping and hair removal, making it a versatile tool for a range of grooming needs. To use, simply grasp the hair at the root and pull in the direction of hair growth. The compact design makes it easy to carry and use anytime, anywhere, ensuring you're always looking your best, whether you're traveling for business or pleasure. Usability: the Tweezerman Mini Tweezer is incredibly easy to use, with its lightweight design and ergonomic handle allowing for a comfortable grip. The mini size doesn't sacrifice performance, as the precision tips offer excellent control when removing hair. The durable stainless steel construction makes it easy to clean and maintain, while the colorful finishes make it a stylish addition to any travel bag. Its small size ensures it won't take up too much space, making it an ideal tool for travelers who need effective grooming without the bulk. Durability: this tweezer is made from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to corrosion, even with frequent use. The tips stay sharp and precise, even after multiple uses, and the compact design makes it resilient to damage during travel. With proper care, the Tweezerman Mini Tweezer can last for years, providing excellent performance and grooming results wherever your travels take you. It's a great investment for anyone looking for reliable beauty tools on the go.
Taking our 4th spot is Conair Folding Mirror. The Conair Folding Mirror is a compact, portable mirror that makes touch-ups and beauty routines effortless while traveling. With its foldable design, it offers the convenience of a full-sized mirror in a compact, easy-to-carry format. Whether you're applying makeup, styling your hair, or simply checking your appearance, the Conair Folding Mirror ensures that you have a clear, detailed reflection whenever you need it. Key features: this mirror features dual-sided mirrors with regular and magnifying options, allowing for both general reflection and close-up detailing. The folding design allows for easy storage and portability, fitting into your luggage or handbag without taking up much space. It also includes an integrated LED light, which provides consistent, natural lighting, perfect for makeup application or skincare routines in low light conditions. The mirror's durable construction ensures it withstands travel wear and tear. Benefits and usage. The Conair folding mirror's main benefit is its ability to provide clear, distortion-free reflections, making it easy to apply makeup, tweeze brows, or style hair while traveling. The LED lighting is particularly useful for precision work, ensuring that you get the most accurate results. Simply unfold the mirror and adjust it to the desired angle for the perfect reflection. The magnification option is ideal for detailed tasks like applying eyeliner or checking for any stray eyebrow hairs. Usability. This mirror is incredibly easy to use, with its foldable design and adjustable stand allowing for convenient setup anywhere. The LED lighting is powered by batteries, making it suitable for use in any environment, from hotel rooms to airports. The mirror is lightweight and compact, making it easy to fit into your travel bag. The two-sided mirror ensures that you have all the reflection you need, and the integrated lighting makes it an essential tool for flawless grooming on the go. Durability. Built with high-quality materials, the Conair folding mirror is designed to withstand frequent travel and use. The foldable design helps protect the mirror from damage while in transit, and the LED light is efficient and long-lasting. The mirror's sturdy construction ensures it will stay in good condition for years, making it a reliable travel companion that won't disappoint. And finally, at number 5, we have T3 Lucea Flat Iron. The T3 Lucea Flat Iron is a premium styling tool that combines advanced technology with sleek design, providing professional-level styling results while on the go. Known for its high-performance features, this flat iron delivers smooth, shiny hair in just a few passes. Its lightweight design and fast heat-up time make it a perfect tool for those who need to style their hair quickly and efficiently while traveling, without compromising on results. Key features. The T3 Lucea Flat Iron is equipped with digital heating technology, offering adjustable temperature settings up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit for customizable styling based on hair type. The plates are made of ceramic and tourmaline, which help reduce frizz, add shine, and protect the hair from heat damage. The flat iron features a 1-inch plate width, making it ideal for both straightening and creating loose waves. Its lightweight design and fast heat-up time, in just 30 seconds, make it a convenient and efficient tool for travel. Benefits and usage. The T3 Lucea Flat Iron's main benefit is its ability to deliver salon-quality results quickly and efficiently. It straightens hair smoothly, leaving it shiny and frizz-free, and can also be used to create soft waves or curls. Simply choose your desired temperature setting based on your hair type, and glide the flat iron through your hair in sections for the perfect style. The T3 Lucea is designed to be versatile, so you can easily adjust it to meet your styling needs. Usability. This flat iron is incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive controls and an ergonomic design that ensures comfort while styling. The 1-inch plates are perfect for both straightening and creating waves, and the fast heat-up time ensures you don't have to wait long to get started. Its lightweight and compact size make it easy to pack, and the 9-foot swivel cord ensures that you can comfortably style your hair in any setting, whether at home or on the go. Durability. The T3 Lucea Flat Iron is built to last, with its high-quality ceramic and tourmaline plates providing long-lasting performance. The durable construction ensures that the flat iron can withstand frequent travel and styling sessions without compromising on quality. The adjustable temperature settings and consistent performance make it a reliable choice for travelers who want to maintain flawless hairstyling, no matter where they are. With proper care, the T3 Lucea can last for years, making it a valuable investment for anyone's beauty toolkit. With these 5 essential beauty tools for travel, you can ensure your beauty routine stays top-notch, no matter where your adventures take you. From skincare to hair care and grooming, these tools are designed to provide convenience, effectiveness, and reliability. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and beauty tips. Safe travels, and stay beautiful.